Look at your hand for a second. Really? Look. That smooth surface isn't a wrapper. It isn't packaging holding you together. It's alive. Every inch of it is busy, right now, doing dozens of jobs you never asked it to do. When you think of your organs, you probably picture the hidden ones, your heart thudding away, your lungs filling and emptying, your brain locked safely inside your skull. But the biggest organ you own isn't hidden at all. You're wearing it. It's your skin. Here's the part most people never stop to consider. Skin is an organ, just like your heart or your liver, and it's the largest one you have. If you could peel it off and lay it flat, it would cover roughly 2 square meters, about the size of a shower curtain. It weighs around 4 kilograms. That's heavier than your brain. You've been carrying an entire organ on the outside this whole time, and you barely think about it. So let's give it the picture it deserves. Think of your skin as a wall, not a dead stone wall, a living one, a wall built and rebuilt by tiny workers, patrolled by guards, wired with sensors and laced with pipes for heating and cooling. A border that keeps the outside out and the inside in. That's the metaphor for this whole journey we're starting. Your skin is the wall around the city that is you. And like any good wall, its first job is simple. Keep the bad stuff out. Every day, the world throws things at you. Sunlight, wind, dirt, water, and invisible armies of bacteria and viruses constantly looking for a way in. Your skin stands in front of all of it. It's your first line of defense, the part of your immune system you can actually see. Most of those invaders never make it past the front gate. They just bounce off, and you never even know there was a fight. But a wall doesn't only keep things out, it also keeps things in. Right now, your body is mostly water. Without your skin, that water would simply evaporate into the air, and you'd dry out like a leaf. Your skin seals you. It holds your moisture, your warmth, your whole inner world safely inside. The technical term for this is the barrier, the part of your skin that stops the outside and the inside from leaking into each other. We'll spend a lot of time on that barrier later, because almost everything in skincare comes back to it. Now, here's something your wall does that no stone wall ever could. It controls the weather. When you get too hot, your skin opens thousands of tiny taps and releases sweat. As that sweat dries, it cools you down, like a built-in air conditioner. When you get too cold, the blood vessels near the surface tighten up to hold your heat deep inside, and your hairs stand on end to trap a warm layer of air. That little shiver of goosebumps, that's your wall adjusting the thermostat. Your skin is one of the main reasons your body stays around 37 degrees no matter what the world outside is doing. And then there's the part we love it for most. Your skin lets you feel. Packed just beneath the surface are millions of tiny sensors, nerve endings that report back to your brain, pressure, texture, heat, cold, the lightest brush of a breeze. A single fingertip alone holds thousands of them. This is how you know a hug from a handshake, silk from sandpaper, a warning pinch of pain from the comfort of warmth. Your wall isn't just standing guard, it's listening every single second. Protect, seal, cool and warm. Sense the world. One organ, doing all of it at once without a break for your entire life. And here's the wow. Your skin never stops rebuilding itself. The outer layer you're looking at right now is made of cells that are already dead and on their way out. You shed them constantly. Somewhere around 30,000 to 40,000 of them every minute. Over a lifetime, you'll lose enough skin to fill several garbage bags. The wall you have today is not the wall you had a month ago. It's been quietly torn down and built back up again and again your whole life long. So the next time you catch your reflection, try seeing it differently. That's not just your face. That's your largest organ. A living, breathing, feeling wall. Your oldest companion, your quietest guardian, working around the clock to keep the world out and you safely in. You've been wearing a miracle this whole time, and you never even noticed.